All right, so we're going to find the surface area of this triangular prism. And as always, I start with the triangle bases, which are going to be congruent. And when I look at these triangle bases, I've got 7 meters, 4 meters, and 5.7 meters. But this side on the left is the one that forms the right angle, so that's going to be my height. So to find area of a triangle, that's going to be 1/2 times the base, which is 4, times the height, which is 5.7 meters. 1/2 of 4 is 2. 2 times 5.7 is going to be 11.4 meters squared. And there's going to be 2 of those because those 2 triangles are identical. Those are congruent triangles. Next one I'm going to work on is the rectangle at the bottom. And the rectangle at the bottom has 4 meters wide, and that's going to be 8.6 meters long. So area of a rectangle is base times height. So I have 8.6 meters times 4 meters. 8.6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 2. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus the 2 is 34. I have one number behind the decimal, so I'll have one number behind the decimal, and that's meters squared. We're going to go ahead and we'll move on to our rectangle on the left, and that's this big one right here. Kind of looks like the back of that shape. And that's going to be 5.7 meters as the height, and the width is going to be 8.6 meters. So the area of that is going to be 8.6 meters times 5.7 meters. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry the 4. 8 times 7 is 56, plus the 4 is 60. Placeholder 0. 6 times 5 is 30. Write the 0, carry the 3. 8 times 5 is 40, plus the 3 is 43. Add. I have 4,902, but I do have 2 numbers behind the decimal, so I'll have 2 numbers behind the decimal here as well. So that's 49.02 meters squared. I have one more rectangle, and that's going to be this rectangle over here, the one on the right side. And that one is going to be 7 meters as the height, and the width is still going to be 8.6 meters. So we're going to multiply 8.6 meters times 7 meters. 6 times 7 is going to be 42. Write the 2, carry the 4. 8 times 7 is going to be 56, plus the 4 is going to be 60. Sorry, just doing math in my head right there. One number behind the decimal, so that's 60.2 meters squared. To find the total surface area, we're going to add all of those areas together. So I have 2 of the triangles. I have the bottom rectangle. I have the rectangle that's on the left side, and make sure that you line up those decimals. And then I have the rectangle that's on the right side. And when I line that up, I've got this 2 here and nothing else there, so that's going to be 2. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12, plus 0 plus 2 is 14. I'll carry a 1 up. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, plus 4 is 7, plus 9 is 16. Write the 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 6 is 16. So my surface area is 166.42 meters squared.